Here's our first official look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 thanks to CAD-based renders shared by OnLeaks and Android headlines. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will feature a slightly larger 3.6-inch cover display and a 6.8-inch inner display, compared to the 3.4-inch and 6.7-inch screens on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Its dimensions have also increased slightly to 166.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 millimeters, or 9.1 millimeters thick with the camera bump. While the larger cover display is a welcome upgrade, it still falls short of the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, Razr Ultra 50, which has a bigger external screen and launched nearly a year ago. Samsung is sticking with a dual camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While these may appear unchanged, they are expected to be upgraded versions. The chipset choice remains uncertain, with reports suggesting either the Exynos 2500 or an alternative due to potential yield issues. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will continue to offer 12 gigabytes of RAM with storage options of 256 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes. One key detail this year is that the starting price is expected to remain at $1,099. This isn't surprising, as Samsung last increased the Flip series price a few years ago and kept pricing steady for the Galaxy S25 series earlier this year. Another notable upgrade is the improved hinge design, resulting in a much less visible crease on both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7. While the crease isn't entirely gone, multiple tipsters suggest it is significantly less noticeable compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, leaks about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are starting to surface. Based on previous launch patterns, the device is expected to be announced in July, as both the Z Flip 5 and Z Flip 6 were unveiled during that month. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 also started shipping in July, so a similar timeline seems likely for its successor. Pricing rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might retain the same starting price as the Flip 6, meaning it could launch at $1,099.99, 49 a $1,799. In terms of design, reports indicate that the Z Flip 7 could feature larger displays. The main foldable screen may increase to 6.85 inches, up from 6.7 inches, while the cover screen could expand to around 4 inches, up from 3.4 inches. Additionally, the hinge is expected to be smoother and more durable, with button placement remaining unchanged from the previous model. Camera leaks for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are minimal so far, but one report suggests that it will feature the same camera setup as the Z Flip 6. If true, this means a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. This would be somewhat disappointing, so there's hope that later leaks will contradict this claim. However, software improvements and new AI photography features could still enhance the camera experience. On the performance side, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. While this will likely be the company's most powerful in-house processor for 2025, it may not match the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Flip 6 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite used in the Galaxy S25 series. Other rumored specs include 12 gigabytes of RAM and storage options of 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, identical to the current model. As more leaks emerge, a clearer picture of the Galaxy Z Flip 7's capabilities will come into focus.